Tim Brooksbank, and I'm here to tell you about Kramer's VP-794, which is a universal scalar switcher mainly for large venue use and high-end fixed installs and for rental and staging. This is unusual in the Kramer range because it's optimised for certain different types of applications. First of all, it can be used for blending and warping for large venue projection. So this product can be used to edge blend projectors together and to do geometry correction, either for projection onto curved screens or for blend alignment, or to rotate images for creative effects or to correct for projector misalignment. It also has an LED screen mode, which is designed for driving very large LED video walls. In this mode, you can set per pixel accurate edge-based image sizing, where you can move each edge of the picture independently to a precise number of pixels to suit the size of the LED video wall. Thirdly, it can operate in scalar switcher mode, whereby it can scale and switch between all different formats. It includes Genlock and it includes transitions such as fade through black and cut. The key thing in this mode is that this scaler has very low latency, so is ideal for live events and IMAG. So here we have the VP-794 from Kramer, universal live events and rental staging switcher and scaler. And let's have a look at the back of the VP-794 now. So here on the back you can see we have first of all a 3G Sdi input, we have two composite video inputs and a Genlock input, so it can Genlock to house sync for live on stage use and in camera use. We have an HDMI input, a DVI input, a VGA input and a component video input, which can either operate as YPBPR or RGBS. On the way out, we have a DVI connector, which you can configure either as DVI or HDMI, but we fit a DVI connector so you can lock the connector onto it, which is important for live events use. There's a VGA output for a local reference monitor, and there's also a 3G Sdi output, which can be used either for driving projectors or screens a long way away, or it can be used for ingest into programming if you're using this in a television studio environment. You also have a network port. This product supports web-based control, so it has a built-in web server and you can control it remotely using any common browser. It also supports direct TCP/IP commands if you want to integrate it into a control system, for which there's also a serial port for integrating with older legacy control systems. Lastly, this product is field updatable, so if we introduce new features in the future, you can update it via the USB port. Then if we look at the front again, here we have direct input select buttons for the various different input channels, including a test pattern button. And we also have a very clear, easy to view front panel LCD display with a jog wheel for fast navigation of that menu. One of the neat features here with the test pattern is that you have the ability via the web browser to download your own custom test patterns into this unit, which might not always be test patterns. They could, for instance, be a customer logo for a backdrop when the show isn't playing, and also you can capture a live image and save that to be shown when you use this button. So here we have the VP-794 live event scaler from Kramer.